What up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Tam Bams. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some loaded mashed potatoes. Just stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for today's recipe, we're going to need, I recommend the red potatoes. We're going to do shrimp, sausage, the ranch Hidden Valley dip. Or they have the regular one too. I don't know why I always get the dip, but I'm so used to it that I just keep buying it. Green onions, bacon, sour cream, salt, pepper, onion powder, butter. All right, let's get cooking. So you're gonna cut up your potatoes. And I'm using 6 large potatoes, but you can use, it just depends on who you're cooking for. When I make this for Thanksgiving, I'm gonna add more potatoes. And then you just add more seasoning, you do more tasting. Everything will literally be the same, just kind of crank it up. But I don't have a particular way to cut them. I believe that the smaller the better, the quicker it will cook. So it's gonna be completely up to you how you want them to, what size you want them. But I definitely recommend smaller. Smaller is better and quicker for cooking. So I've already salted my water. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in here. And then we're going to bring these potatoes to a boil. And as you guys can see, I kept on the skin. It's going to taste so good. And you're not even going to notice it's there once I break it down. So we'll come back after these have cooked. All right, we're gonna cut up our sausage. We're cutting up 3 slices of, I got the double smoked center cut. The thicker the better. Just cut it up. I thought you were supposed to tell you when.
You didn't say when.
And I'm not going to use all of these green onions. I'm just going to cut them down because I like to freeze what I don't use or use them for something else. But cutting them all down at once just works. So you only need a couple of these. All right, so I didn't say what to season the shrimp with, but this is what we're gonna season. Pepper, paprika, heavy on the paprika, and this is smoked paprika.
Why'd you say it like that?
Stop trying me.
It's not paprika. It's just regular paprika.
Okay. Obey. And it's smoked paprika.
I wasn't saying the whole thing. I was just saying paprika part.
I want to put a little bit more smoked paprika in there. Do this to taste to your liking. And then again, so you can see close. There we go. We're gonna cook those up, saute them. Start off with cooking
they added Sprite cranberry back into stores.
Added what?
Sprite cranberry back into stores.
Oh, okay. All those flavors.
You want me to stop now? My hands are always shaking.
Why?
I don't know, they just do that. Can't keep my hands.
The remainder of your one stick, you're going to melt it down. I'm going to put this in the microwave, and then we're going to start with mashing these. Go ahead, Kim.
Wait, do you want me to stop?
No, keep going.
Oh.
sure we taste it. See if you need to add anything. I'm gonna add some more ranch. Add that butter. Perfect. This can't be, this is not the sour cream I prefer. It's a little bit easier. Melanie. I'm gonna have to do so many voiceovers that I did not want to have to do. Bomb. Okay, after you have tasted your mashed potatoes and you like them, you start to add all of your toppings. FYI, the butter mixture from my shrimp, I poured it over the top once I was done, and when I tell you it's bomb, it's bomb. Your family is going to love this. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Till next time.